Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring how IoT, short for the Internet of Things, is transforming supply chain management. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. IoT refers to a network of devices equipped with sensors and internet connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data. In the supply chain, IoT connects everything: vehicles, warehouses, inventory, and even the goods themselves. This real-time data gives businesses the ability to make informed decisions and optimize their operations accordingly. But how exactly does IoT make the supply chain smarter? Let's break it down. Real-time tracking. With IoT, you can track shipments in real time. GPS-enabled devices and RFID tags let you monitor the exact location and condition of your goods, whether they're in transit or in storage. This is particularly useful for perishable items, as you can ensure they remain in optimal conditions throughout their journey. Predictive maintenance. Vehicles and machinery equipped with IoT sensors can detect wear and tear before it leads to a breakdown. Predictive maintenance helps reduce downtime, avoid costly repairs, and ensure timely deliveries. Enhanced inventory management. Smart shelves and IoT-enabled warehouses keep track of inventory levels in real time. This helps prevent overstocking or running out of essential items. Improved customer experience. IoT keeps customers informed with real-time delivery updates, accurate arrival times, and faster issue resolution, which results in higher satisfaction and loyalty. Excited about the possibilities? Here's how you can make your supply chain smarter with IoT. Assess your needs. Identify pain points like delayed shipments, inventory inefficiencies, or high maintenance costs. Choose the right IoT tools. Whether it's RFID tags or connected fleet management systems, select solutions tailored to your operations. Invest in reliable connectivity. Seamless connectivity is key. Multi-network SIMs can ensure uninterrupted communication between devices. Train your team. Educate your team to use IoT tools effectively for maximum ROI. IoT is transforming supply chain management by reducing inefficiencies, improving visibility, and overall enhancing your operations.
Today we're talking about something that's transforming how businesses move goods around the world: 5G and its impact on transportation and logistics. You've probably heard that 5G is faster than previous networks. But how exactly is that helping shipping companies, warehouses, and delivery fleets? Let's break it down. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. One of the biggest benefits of 5G in logistics is real-time tracking. In the past, shipping updates were delayed or inaccurate. Now, with the help of faster mobile networks, companies can track vehicles, cargo, and equipment down to the minute. This helps reduce delays, reroute deliveries around traffic, and give customers more accurate ETAs. 5G also makes fleet management more efficient. Using connected sensors on trucks, companies can monitor vehicle performance, fuel levels, and even tire pressure before something goes wrong. Having these insights will significantly reduce maintenance costs over time. In warehouses, 5G improves communication between systems and workers. Scanners update inventory in real time, and automated equipment can move goods more precisely. Because everything is connected, warehouse teams make faster, more informed decisions, saving time and reducing human error. Logistics don't stop at city limits. Shipments often cross borders, oceans, and rural areas. This is where reliable mobile connectivity becomes critical. 5G, especially when combined with other network technologies, keeps systems connected, even in remote locations. So, what's the bottom line? 5G is more than just speed. It's helping logistics companies track assets, manage fleets, and improve supply chains in real time. And while 5G is powerful, coverage can vary by region. That's why many logistics providers are turning to multi-network connectivity solutions, like the ones we offer at Pond IoT. If you want to learn more, check out our website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.